In this video, we are going to cover the two famous attractions of Germany, the Black Forest and the Cuckoo Clocks. Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Travel Quest. The Black Forest is a 100-mile stretch of pine trees. This forest is so dense that the sun struggles to reach the forest floor. That's why it's rightly named as the Black Forest. This is one of the famous tourist spots in Germany. There are plenty of cuckoo clocks all across Germany, claiming to be the world's biggest cuckoo clock. This is one such in Black Forest. Every half an hour, this giant cuckoo clock makes cuckoo sound, and there will be wonderful dance performance by the dolls. This giant cuckoo clock runs on hydropower. This is the cuckoo clock industry, where you will get hand-carved cuckoo clocks famous for their quality and craftsmanship. Cuckoo clocks have 350 years of history. Before industrialization, many farmers used the wood to build cuckoo clocks to supplement their income during winter months. Even to this day, Black Forest cuckoo clock makers preserve the rich history. Next to this cuckoo's nest, there is a glass art making unit. Here, you will find beautiful glass artwork. You can even see the live demonstration of how they make these glass artworks. They do have few rare glass art designs. So, plan a trip to Germany with your loved ones and enjoy the beauty of Black Forest and cuckoo clocks. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Travel Quest.
I won't live.